Welcome to the Pathfinders video program, The Path to Plan Profit. This is part 5 of our 5-part series that explains how your company can survive and prosper in the new economy by adopting our Path to Profit model. The Pathfinders map graphically demonstrates the relationship among 4 support systems: new business, operations, organizational structure, and fiscal control and reporting. At Pathfinders, our emphasis is on the organizational structure and fiscal control areas. In parts 2, 3, and 4 of this series, we discuss the importance of fiscal control and reporting. In this part, we will discuss the importance of organizational structure. Your company's organization is essentially a number of employees and managers working together to produce a product or provide a service. The organizational structure section of the Pathfinders map shows you how to create an effective structure with management tools to organize and guide your employees. The goals of accountability, delegated responsibility, and employee motivation are all achieved by attention to the organizational structure area of the Pathfinders map. The elements in the organizational areas of the Pathfinders map are every bit as important as the financial reports and budgetary concerns of the fiscal control side. Increasing productivity, reducing waste, and correcting negative trends are all accomplished by attention to the organizational structure side of your company. Note the word structure. The organization is the foundation, and other areas like marketing and sales, operation, and even fiscal control reporting all ultimately support the organizational structure. The company's mission statement, goals and objectives, functional organizational chart, job descriptions, and the positional organizational chart are all tools and processes that help create an effective, structured organization. Most companies grow over time. Often, the direct communication that worked for the owner a few years ago has developed into a tangled web of mixed reporting and responsibilities that leaves the employees confused and the owners unable to get important information because they are too busy putting out fires throughout the company. The tangled web of reporting responsibilities can be rationalized. Pathfinders will show you how to clean up the lines of communication. A chain of command must be established, and that chain of command must be respected, or managers will soon lose credibility within their departments. This transition is often more easily achieved than you may expect. Employees are usually relieved when lines of responsibility are clearly stated. We often see an almost immediate increase in motivation and productivity. It is true that some managers may get their noses out of joint, as they may see the new structure as a threat to their authority. These managers need to be monitored, as they may try to revert back to the old, inefficient ways. It's interesting to look at a functional organizational chart upside down. This inverted chart represents a more supportive structure than an autocratic downward configuration. Employees need direction and support in the performance of the tasks. Some say the most important employee in the company is the last employee hired. The entire company should monitor and help all employees learn and grow within the company. This philosophy will motivate all employees to increase productivity and create a happy, supportive atmosphere. This philosophy encourages an employee who is unsure how to proceed to ask their superiors for direction. Adopting such a structure throughout the company reduces mistakes and reduces waste, and we have seen how waste impacts the profitability of any company. Generally, employees want to do a good job. Employees want to see and feel that the company is treating everyone fairly. It is the responsibility of management to provide the direction, tools, training, support, and recognition needed. The goal of employee motivation is achieved through attention to employee concerns. In our how-to guide, The Path to Engineered Profit, we discuss each of these points and provide strategies to implement these systems in your own company. It is interesting to note that when we distribute confidential questionnaires to employees, salary and wages only ranks about halfway up the scale. Usually job security, interest in work, sense of achievement, and group relationships rank higher. The management team is the forum where the owner receives input from key employees. The management team meetings are where problems and options are discussed, and from this forum, the entire company learns of change. The management team should have representatives of every part of the company and ensure that all departments are on track and all working together toward the common goals set by that team. In a relatively short time, the management team tends to take charge of the company and work together to find solutions to problems. They assume a form of ownership. Our goal here is a self-directed team style of management. Owners are often amazed by how key employees accept responsibility and work together to solve problems, and the owner moves from being an order giver to a more supportive role, especially when accompanied by profit-sharing plans and employee incentive bonuses based on increased productivity. Key indicator reports, project status reports, revenue stream analysis, and other tracking tools are the report cards of a company's performance. The scores should be presented to the management team weekly. While your management team should not have access to your company's profit information, management team reports can be designed with the information the team needs to see and to understand problems and find solutions. The pressure on the owner to have a solution to every problem is delegated to the employees that know firsthand what the problem is and as a team find the best solution. You need to take the pressure off of yourself. This is the end of Part 5 of the 5-part series, The Path to Plan Profit, presented by Pathfinders Profit Consultants, LLC. Our how-to guide, The Path to Engineered Profit, has additional information that clarifies the materials and is available for US $60 as a download from our website, www.pathfindersconsultants.com. The mission of Pathfinders Profit Consultants is to help medium-sized and small-sized businesses survive and thrive in the new economic reality. By reducing waste and increasing productivity, more of the revenues your company earns stay as profit. We hope that you have enjoyed the show. Thank you for watching. Pathfinders Profit Consultants is an international company with offices in Calgary, Alberta, and Las Vegas, Nevada. We offer on-site consulting services for companies in Western North America. We offer remote consulting using internet telephony and file transfer to work with clients all around the world in a virtual setting. And Pathfinders offers a how-to guide, The Path to Engineered Profit, written by our founding principal, Robert Elliott. Our webpage, www.pathfindersconsultants.com, is a dynamic site where you can sign up for timely information on business profitability, register for a regional seminar, download free tools, and access our library database of helpful articles and links. The how-to guide, The Path to Engineered Profit, explains each area of the Pathfinders map. The guide and its associated workbook of spreadsheets for 8 different industries can be downloaded from our website for $60 US, which includes a full hour of remote consulting to help you get started. Come visit us and take your first steps on the path to plan profit.